Hello and welcome to Makerspace Mondays. So my name is Laura and today we are talking about Ozobots. So I have two little Ozobots here. This one is the older Ozobot that is just color programmed. This is the newer Ozobot, which is I think the only Ozobot they're really selling these days. This is the Bit and this is the Evo. So the Evo is a little bit more dynamic in that the colors can change and you can program them on a computer or you can program them with the color as well. So if you come to the library and you do Makerspace Mondays with me, or if you come to some of our STEM initiatives, then we will have these for you to be able to code with. So today we're really talking about more the Evo and the way that you can program the Evo. So I have this little guy, and if you don't have a Ozobot at home, that is absolutely fine, because this program that we're going to do, which is available as a link for you, this is all something that you can see right here. So you have a digital Ozobot here in the corner. If you do want to run your own Ozobot, then you do have the ability here to connect and pair your Evo with this computer program, and you can see it like going all over your desk. So we're going to only use the online program for now, but if I have extra time, then we can come back and we can try to get our little mustachioed Ozobot to do something fun. Okay. So I'm going to put him back in his box. And we're going to come here to this Ozobot simulator. Right now, they've already given us some code to work with. So this code is doing something that we've programmed. I think actually I put this in here last time I was in here, so it remembered what I did before. So if yours has absolutely nothing in it, that is fine. We are just going to drag it to the trash and we can start from scratch. All right, so let's get started. So there's different challenges you can do. If you go down to the Explore Challenges, they're going to actually ask you to do something specific with your Ozobot. But if you want to, we can just play for now, and that's what we're going to try. So we have different movements. We have different light effects because your Evo has the ability to have the lights on top, so you can see different things that it can do. There's different timings, and there's different loops. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag in a loop box. So we can tell it how many times we want it to repeat. So we can have it do it 3 times, 4 times, whatever. And now we're going to actually do something we want it to move. So I want it to move. So I'm going to click that in here, just like you do in Scratch or Blockly. And I'm going to ask it to move forward. So as you can see on this little map, everything is boxed out for you. So you can move forward, you can move backwards, and then there's all these little teeny tiny boxes inside of the turquoise boxes. So we're going to move forward 1 step. So each of these tiny little guys is a step. So it looks like there are 5 steps per box. So I'm going to have it go forward 5 steps. You can tell it to go slow, medium, fast. I'm just going to do medium. So I want him to go up here, and then I want him to turn. So we can say we can turn left or we can turn right. It's up to you, but we're moving forward first. So then I'm going to have to add a different movement if I want that. Or I can do a rotate, or I can do a zigzag. So I'm having him move forward, and then I'm going to have him rotate. And we're going to do left or right because I want one of those. So I think we're going to have him go left. So rotate left, and then we're going to put a light effect because that'll be fun. So we will do a traffic light. And then I'm going to put in another movement, and I want him to go another up and then over another 5. So we're going to have him go forward, and we're going to have another 5. And then this one I want to be very fast. And then I'm going to have him pause. And we can say how long we want him to pause. So 2 or 3 seconds. We'll do 3, so that way it actually looks like if he paused. And then I want him to go down again. So we're going to do another left. So we have to get him to rotate again. And this time we're going to go left again. And then move again. I want him to zigzag, medium, and then forward again. And we're going to do another 5 steps because I'm trying to get him to do one big circle. So medium. So at this point, if you want to see what you've actually programmed, I think I've only gotten him to right here. I think I have to get him to turn left again to get back to center. So if you think that's true, then we're going to try to run it and see what happens. Actually, I forgot I told it to repeat. So we don't actually need to have him do left, left, left. We just need to make sure he does left, traffic lights. So we can actually get rid of all of this, I think. But let me just try it real quick. So let's run. So he moved forward, moved forward, moved forward, and move forward. Yay! So since we did it 4 times, he actually is going all the way back, not to center. So I would need him to only do that 3 times. And so once he ran that, then he ran this other code, which took him off the screen. So I'm going to do and see U-turn left, see what that does. So let's reset and run again. So he did what I asked him to do. He's doing the lights. And so it shows you as he works through the different paths, which step he's on. And so once he's there, he waits 3 seconds. So we're waiting 3 seconds and he moved forward and he zigzagged off the screen. So we're going to have him move backwards and see what that does because I don't want him to fall off the screen. So we're doing this, and if you want to, you can even run it faster to make sure you don't have to wait for the pauses. So we are back to center. So now he's waiting 3 seconds and he's zigzagged and went back and forth. So you can see what your different paths do. So I want you guys to explore this. I want you to have fun with this. And then once you're ready, then we can explore the different challenges. And so this is just like the Blockly editor, but you can do shape tracers, you can do Ozotown. There are a lot of really fun exercises you can do, even if you don't actually have a teeny tiny little Ozobot at your own house. All right, so let me know if you have any questions or concerns. We're going to be having Makerspace bags at the library once or twice a month, so you can always call us and pick those up on curbside, and we can't wait to see you. So have a great day, and this is the first Makerspace Monday of fall 2021. Alrighty, bye for now.